Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we will discuss how to change the WhatsApp notification tone on your Android phone. WhatsApp is a popular messaging app that allows you to stay in touch with friends and family worldwide. The default notification tone works for basic alerts, but may seem boring or lack personal style. We will walk you through simple steps to customize WhatsApp notifications by changing the tone on your Android device. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android phone or tablet. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings from the menu. Look for Notifications, and tap to access notification settings. Choose Message Notifications to adjust alerts for messages. In Message Notification settings, you will see an option for Notification Tone. Tap this to access available tones and choose a new alert sound. Listen to each tone preview to find one that suits your preferences. Once a tone stands out as your favorite, tap it to select the tone for all WhatsApp message notifications. Tap Save at the bottom of the page to save your selected tone and apply the change. All new WhatsApp messages will now alert with your chosen notification sound. As an alternative, some third-party WhatsApp apps claim to provide extra steps to fully customize notifications, including a larger selection of tones. However, using third-party software on your device does come with risks of collecting additional data, security issues, or malware infection. Only use them if the built-in interface does not provide enough options, and with caution. The WhatsApp settings themselves should normally allow adjusting notifications to your liking with a good range of alert sounds to choose from while maintaining a secure experience. In summary, open WhatsApp. Tap the three dots and pick Settings, then Notifications. Select Message Notifications, Notification Tone, and choose a new alert sound. Select Save at the bottom of the page to apply the custom notification tone. Let me know if other features or options within WhatsApp interest you or if unanswered questions remain. We are here to provide helpful explanations for using all WhatsApp and your Android device have to offer. Thank you for watching. I hope this information was useful. Have a wonderful day. Please feel free to message us via comments, email, or direct message with any other topics or concerns. We cover everything related to Android, social media, productivity, and more. Stay safe.